In an ever-changing world, technology keeps us connected. Continued development ensures we are more connected today than ever before, whether on the move, at our place of work, or at home. AV distribution is at the heart of the connected world, and CYP is at the heart of AV distribution. Across multiple markets, CYP has long been the go-to brand for professionals and consumers alike. Our breadth of range combined with our product reliability means that CYP products are constantly used within residential, commercial, education, industrial, medical, hospitality-based, and gaming applications. CYP abides by 3 crucial milestones: innovation, training, and support. Innovation spans the wide-ranging research and development we employ across multiple technologies. As leaders in AV distribution innovation, CYP has led the development of the most recent technologies, including AV over IP, HDBaseT 3, 8K transmission, and AV over IT. Our continuous drive to deliver products that surpass our customers' expectations means that CYP products are used throughout the world by many of the leading blue-chip businesses. Technology is only as good as the support delivered with it. This is why we put so much impetus and resource behind our training program. Offering both in-person and online courses, all CYP training is delivered by industry professionals who offer real-world advice combined with industry-leading experience. The support package delivered with every CYP product includes a 5-year warranty and a dedicated service centre that will help with any technical or product support issues.
All of our products are created to deliver exceptional performance.
They are designed by AV professionals for AV professionals.
And all come packaged with market-leading support.
At our heart is our desire to develop innovative solutions.
Whilst we work closely with integrators across multiple markets.
We are the choice of professionals